Friends, welcome to video tutorial of WedgeCommerce that helps to build your own e-commerce store native on Salesforce. In this video tutorial, I'll guide you how you need to set up the automatic email events in WedgeCommerce. So currently I'm under the configuration section in the automatic events page. So over here you can see we have a different events listed. Like you can see, we have provided as of now as a standard one like order success if the order is placed successfully, if the cart items are waiting for checkout, and if products are out of stock. So if we go for the order success, you need to select the event and you need to select the templates. So these are the Salesforce default templates. You can create an email template and you can select it, and that will send and trigger to the customer and also to the user on the admin for this order success. So suppose if I select for the specific template, a demo template over here, and I'll just mark it active, and I just want the order success information to just notify the users and also the admin. And once you will done with that, you can add new row, and over here you can add the another one like the cart items waiting for checkout and the products out of stock. You can select the based upon that you can select the template as well. You can mark it both the things active. These are the templates that I have selected. I would like to inform the admin only, and just for this, for the users, and just for out of stock to the admin, just to add the products accordingly. And I'll just save it. So once you'll save that, whenever any order is placed successfully, then one email will be triggered to the users and also to the admin. In this case, it will just trigger to the user that this product is waiting for the checkout, and the another for the product out of stock. To it, that will notify to the admin that these products are already exhausted based upon the template that you have selected. So in this way, the automatic email event functionality is working, and also in future we can schedule to add more events so that you can get best out of it. So thank you for watching this video and using WedgeCommerce.